And we're back. I just listened to the audio and I'm very relieved, happy. I personally think it might be the best it sounded, so that's good. In the little bit that I did listen to, I skipped through like a couple little sections, but in what I listened to, there's not really much, if any, real wind audio, which is nice. I don't know why I called it wind audio. One would call it wind noise. There's not much of it, if any, really, so that's really good. I'm happy about that. So now I'm going to keep recording. And what I'm also going to do is forget what I had planned to say, because I know there's something there. Oh, it is a little short. It's only, the audio recording is only 19 minutes long, which they're usually about 30. So I had a little poor judgment there. I thought I was riding a little bit longer than that. I was not. But now I know for this video at least. It should, I think I talked enough that like it's still gonna be a normal length video, because I had I think I had like 3 main parts I talked about. I don't know, I think I talked enough. But my version of talking on it is very different from most people's version, because I barely talk at all. But like I said, I'm very happy with how the mic sounded, which is rare, but I'm not complaining. It sounded much better, so I will take it. I hope it continues to for the rest of the week. I don't see why it wouldn't, but a lot of things happen suddenly, like breaking my nuts on that bump that I just hit. Whoa, look at that, I'm a professional. I'm just kidding, I'm very much not. Deer. Yeah, I'm not a professional. Don't try this at home. I would hope you don't have a road on your home anyways. We tried it. So it would be, don't try this yourself. I don't condone illegal activities. YouTube, just let you know, I don't condone speeding, wheelies, anything illegal. Against it. This is all done on closed roads by a semi-professional. One thing that sucks about making videos this time of year while I'm sick is the cold wind hitting me does not help my cough at all. In fact, it makes it worse. So I can be decent throughout the day and not cough that much. So I'm like, okay, I can go record, and then as soon as I start talking, I cough every other word. Which sucks for you guys, because I'm sure it's something you want to listen to. And it means I have to cut out a lot of stuff because, like I said, I'm sure you don't want to just hear me coughing. I'm going to try to be considerate of you guys. So I have to re-say some stuff. But I still want to get videos out there. Take your time. Take your time. Wouldn't want to go too fast. I miss playing football. I've been thinking about that a lot recently. I quit playing because the NFL would quit sending me offers. All the different teams were fighting over me. Which one wanted me more between the Patriots, 49ers wanted me, the Packers did, even the Steelers, of course, because, you know, close to Pittsburgh. But I just didn't like all the competition. I didn't like that they were all fighting over me like that. And they're only offering me like 15 mil per season, and I wasn't signing a contract. That's too little money for me. You want to pay someone of my skill level 15 million a year to score a record amount of touchdowns? Like, I know my worth. I deserved at least 25 mil, you know, but they weren't offering that, so I said I'll be a YouTuber. No, on a serious note, I didn't play football. I played for like a certain number of years. I don't remember. I want to say it was like 5 or 6. Maybe. I don't know. But I did legitimately use to play football. I just realized I must be really confident in my mic now to take this road, because I'm on the highway. So that's like the ultimate test to see if it's really working against the wind. See, I should just get a 1000 because, you know, clearly this isn't that fast, you know, so I should just get an H2. I was barely even going over 30. There's another dead deer. I hate seeing that. I think people that deliver mail ever like get in a normal vehicle and are like a little confused because they're on the opposite side of the vehicle? Or do you think that they're just good at adjusting? Because like for me personally, I have, my car is a manual, and then there's a state trooper, and this bike is a manual. So my two main vehicles are manuals. Okay, good, he's not paying attention. Shocker. But anyways, why is this a camera car? Is that like the Google Maps car? My two vehicles are manuals. So if I ever get in an automatic, like I'm driving someone else's car, it throws me off. Like I try to reach for the clutch, and sometimes I'll go to grab the middle to shift, even though I don't need to. It's the Google Street View car. Hello. Maybe I'll be on camera. I really hope so. That'd be sweet. Everyone search Google Maps for this spot, see if you can find me. But anyways, where was I? Right. When I drive an automatic car, I get confused. I'm also partially stupid, but I get thrown off. I reach for things that aren't there. I try to shift when I don't have to, and all that kind of stuff. So when people drive mail vehicles, since they're on the opposite side of the car, do they get in a normal vehicle and then get thrown off? Or do they just always drive the mail vehicle? This is what keeps me awake at night. I'm gonna, hopefully, when I go back the other way, I remember that the state trooper is sitting there. Alright, place your bets right now. Am I going to remember that the state trooper is sitting there in the 5 minutes it's going to take to get up to him? My bet is no. Knowing myself and how often I forget things, especially while recording, I'm going to go with no. I'm going to forget he's there. And then the second bet is, do I get pulled over? Because, like I just said, I'm going to forget he's there. So I might be doing something stupid. There's the Google car again. Make sure you look for me. Send it to me if you find it. Actually, don't do that. Because then you're going to know where I am. That's kind of creepy. Just don't be weird about it. Okay? by an elephant in someone's yard. I didn't realize they were slowing down. I could have just rear-ended them over an elephant statue. Honestly, if I die riding, it's either going to be I was depressed and it was somewhat intentional, or it was something like that where I got distracted by something on the side of the road and drove into someone and died, or into a wall or something like that. I feel like if I die on a bike, it's going to be one of those two reasons. I remembered if you bet that I was going to, you were right. Good job. Well, luckily this is oh wait, he's not even there anymore. Well, you better pull some. Oh jeez, bruh. Why is the car in front of me going 10 miles an hour? You better have pulled someone over. He did, because we should have seen it by now. So he might be sitting at this spot up here. So I'm going to prepare like he is, because he is indeed sitting right there. Look at that, I figured it out. I'm on to you, dickbag. I saw you first. What's the chances that that cloud moved specifically for me? Because like I literally stared at him when I passed by, so like obviously he knows that I knew he was there. So maybe he moved to that spot to try to like pull a little sneaky on me, catch me. I wonder. I don't know, I'm just paranoid, so that's probably not the case. But I'm good at coming up with situations like that in my head. So maybe he tried to pull a little fast one. Joke's on him. I don't do anything illegal anyways. Is she on her phone? Yeah, she is. She's driving. Okay, so she's got 2 babies in the back, and she's driving on her phone. I mean, I know it's not my place to judge people, and I know I'm no better than others, but really? You got 2 children in the back, baby/toddlers. You can put your phone down while you drive. You have a passenger. Like, let her use the phone for you. The best part of coming this way is the fun turn. As long as I can get through it safely. We're about to find out. So what I do now is I edit my videos, and then I'll save them to my phone, and then that night when I'm going to sleep, right before I go to sleep, I will start the upload process, because they take hours to upload when they're like 9 or 10 gigabytes, which mine usually are. So they take like hours to upload. So what I do is right before I go to sleep, I start uploading it, and then I'll, lay my phone down and I'll do whatever for the rest of the night. Sorry, but for some reason the group ride that I tried to upload last night didn't upload. When I woke up this morning, it said that it failed. So I was pretty not happy about that. I'm going to try again tonight, and I hope it uploads this time. Otherwise, I'm going to have to try to troubleshoot that. And if that video doesn't upload, I'm not going to be very happy, because it's a decent video. It got ruined because of the whole wind noise problem I had, but it's still decent, like what I did make out of it. So I'm hoping it just goes up when I try to re-upload it again. But if not, there's going to be a problem. But I'm going to go home. There's a Supra. I'm going to go home and edit the 2 videos I just recorded, hoping that everything sounds good. I'm going to try to get feeling back into my hands and feet. We'll see how that goes. I'm sure it'll take a couple hours, but we'll get there. Yeah, I'm gonna make these 2 videos. Like I said, last video, once I hit a certain point, I'm gonna start putting all the videos closer together. So I'm sure by now you would already know this, though, by the time you see this one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it sounds good. It should, but you never know. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for leaving a like if you have. I've noticed the videos have been getting a lot more likes recently, which I genuinely appreciate. It's nice to see that. So if we can, let's go for 16 trillion likes on this one. I'm gonna set the bar a little low, but I'm sure you guys can do it. 16 trill.